Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Manufacturing work is changing fast. In this video, we'll explore how digital coworker interfaces are helping Japanese auto workers handle complex builds, reduce mistakes, and work more confidently on the line and in service bays. What if the screen at your station felt less like another system and more like a steady partner? That's the promise of digital coworker interfaces. Software and AI that work side by side with people on the shop floor and in service bays, guiding tasks, catching mistakes early, and making handoffs cleaner. Japanese car makers and suppliers are dealing with more build variety than ever. EVs and hybrids add high-voltage steps, software-defined vehicles add configuration complexity, and customers still expect near-perfect quality. At the same time, many plants face labor gaps and training time is tight. This article explains what digital coworker interfaces look like in real work, where they show up in factories and dealerships, how they help workers without taking control, and what to ask for when you're choosing or building one. What digital coworker interfaces look like in Japanese auto work. A digital coworker interface is the last meter layer between a worker and everything else: machines, tools, specs, quality rules, and standard work. It's not just a dashboard for managers. It's the part a technician actually touches, hears, or sees while doing the job. In practice, it shows up as a station display, a tablet, a wearable alert, a voice prompt, or an AR view. It can also be a smart workstation that reacts when the right part is present and a tool hit is confirmed. The goal is simple: fewer mistakes, faster training, safer work, and steadier line flow. It does that by reducing memory work. Instead of holding several rules in your head, such as trim level, torque spec, inspection points, rework history, or lot concerns, the interface brings the right rule at the right moment. Common interface types: tablets, wearables, voice, AR, and smart stations. Different jobs need different interface styles. The best Japanese auto plants don't pick one device for everything. They match the interface to the task in the worker's hands. Tablets and station screens guided work. These are the most common. A worker sees step-by-step instructions that can change by VIN, trim, or option pack. Photos, short clips, and comparison images help when parts look similar. Wearables wrist alerts and quick confirms. A smartwatch or wrist device works well when the job is hands busy. It can nudge for a missed scan, signal an end in call response, or confirm the next pick without forcing a worker to turn to a screen. Voice guidance checks in noisy, hands-full tasks. Voice prompts can help in material handling, kit building, or basic inspection steps. In a loud line, voice still has limits, so good systems support push-to-talk, short phrases, and clear fallback to taps. AR support overlay for exact points. AR is useful when where matters more than what, like torque points, clip locations, or seal paths. The best AR experiences are small and focused. If AR tries to explain the whole job, it becomes a distraction. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.